My name is Camille Steer. I'm the Senior Corporate Manager of Fund Services at JMMB Fund Managers. Now we want you to know about your numbers for retirement. How much it is that you need in terms of achieving your retirement goals. In knowing your numbers, one of the key things is that you need to know your income replacement rate. How do you find that information? That information is usually on your member statement. And when you look on that number, the base you should be trying to achieve is at least 75% in terms of replacement of your income. So if your current replacement rate is 40%, that means you have a shortfall of 35%. So the next question would be, how is it that I'm going to close this particular gap? And the first thing that you need to do is, one, maximize your contribution to the plan that you're currently a part of. And the second thing is that you need to make an assessment in terms of your inflows and your expenses. When you make an assessment in terms of your expenses, you're going to be giving yourself the latitude, the freedom to say, okay, how much it is that I can possibly contribute to my pension arrangement or investment. Then after that, you're going to be saying, how is it? Can I explore other investment solutions that can build up my retirement portfolio? And you can have stocks, you can have bonds in your retirement portfolio, unit trusts. All of this, you need to have a conversation with your financial representative. So start now and speak with a JMMB representative today.